In this video, I'm going to show you how to react to messages on Telegram. Now, to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open the Telegram app on your device and sign into your account. Once you're signed into your account, go ahead and head over to the conversation where you want to react to a message to. Now, go ahead and click on the message that you want to react to. Now, after you click the message, the emojis will come up. You can select from this available emojis by clicking on the emoji and it will have this type of effect. So each emoji has a different effect. You can also view more emojis by clicking here and select from one of these emojis. Every emoji on Telegram has a different effect once you click on it and view it on the message to where you've reacted. You don't need to long press the message to be able to summon this. You just need to click the message one time and react to that specific message. And that's how you can simply react to messages on Telegram. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.